Capital N will be evaluated using the formula capital N equals integral f of x dx. Here we have two intervals in which f of x is defined. Therefore, we have n equals integral 0 to 1 f of x dx plus integral 1 to 2 f of x dx, where f of x equals x cube in the range 0 to 1 and f of x equals 2 minus x the whole cube in the range 1 to 2. Here we perform usual integration and we get the final answer as 1 by 2. First raw moment or the mean value notated using mu1 dash is obtained using the formula 1 by n integral x f of x dx. Again we have to split the integral because f of x is defined for two separate intervals. Therefore we have integral 0 to 1 x f of x dx and integral 1 to 2 x f of x dx. In 0 to 1 we have f of x equals x cube and in 1 to 2 we have f of x equals 2 minus x the whole cube. Here we have x into x cube written as x raised to 4 and integral x raised to 4 is x raised to 5 upon 5. We just apply the upper and lower limits and obtain the final answer. Here we can make use of integration by parts. First function into integral of second, and we have to use the alternate sign. Since we start with positive, we have to use negative sign for the next term. Here in the next expression we have to differentiate the first term. We have to integrate this complete expression. We can no longer do the differentiation of the first term here because derivative of x is 1 obtained here. So when you try to differentiate 1, it is 0. So the process ends here. Here 2 minus x the whole cube, when integrated you obtain 2 minus x the whole raised to 4 upon 4 into negative 1. In the next step, when you integrate this complete expression, you have 2 minus x the whole raised to 5 upon 5 into 4 into negative 1 into negative 1. So the negative into negative becomes positive and you have the negative sign left out, which is the alternate sign which appears in the integration process. When we give the upper limit 2 to these terms 2 minus x and 2 minus x, these two terms will become 0. So only the lower limit will give us non-zero answers. Anyway, there is a negative sign associated with application of lower limit. Also, these two terms are having negative signs here and here. So these negative signs will get compensated and it will become positive answer. So we obtain mu1 dash equals mu equals 1.